Hey everyone, we're back with another round of the coolest gadgets from Amazon. You can find the links to all the products in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell for notifications. 15 amazing Fanttik tools on Amazon that are selling out fast. Let's go. Fanttik E1 Max Soldering Iron Kit. The Fanttik E1 Max Soldering Iron Kit is a versatile, high-performance tool for all your soldering needs. With its 4 C210 soldering tips providing rapid heating in as little as 7 seconds, this kit is designed to save time and improve efficiency. Whether you're repairing electronics or creating precise solder joints, its anti-oxidation tips ensure durability and reliability. A standout feature is its dual power modes. A cordless option with a built-in 2600 mAh battery for up to 60 minutes of usage, and a wired mode for longer projects. The intelligent gravity sensing automatically puts the iron into sleep mode after 15 seconds of inactivity, conserving energy while ensuring safety. Its adjustable 6 temperature levels, 390 degrees Fahrenheit to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, make it suitable for various tasks, from delicate electronics to more robust components. The aluminum storage case not only protects the tools, but adds a sleek touch to your workspace. Overall, the E1 Max combines performance, portability, and style, making it a must-have for professionals and hobbyists alike. Fanttik E1 Max 3.7 volts Mini Electric Screwdriver. The Fanttik E1 Max Mini Electric Screwdriver is the perfect blend of functionality and design. Compact and lightweight, it's a reliable choice for DIY projects, electronics, and small repairs. Equipped with 50 magnetic bits in 9 categories, this screwdriver handles a wide variety of tasks effortlessly. Its precision torque system, ranging from 0.05 nm to 3 nm, ensures accuracy when working on delicate items like watches, smartphones, or cameras. Powered by a rechargeable battery, the tool can drive up to 400 screws per charge, with a maximum speed of 200 RPM, delivering both power and finesse. The included magnetic storage case makes organizing bits simple and satisfying, with a pop-up mechanism for easy access. Its USB-C fast charging adds convenience, ensuring it's ready when you need it. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a home improvement guru, the Fanttik E1 Max is a game-changer for precise, clutter-free work. Fanttik X8 Apex Tire Inflator. Say goodbye to underinflated tires with the Fanttik X8 Apex Tire Inflator, a must-have tool for vehicle owners. This portable device inflates tires with pinpoint accuracy, +1 psi, and does so quickly, taking only 56 seconds for a standard tire. Its 2600 mAh battery powers continuous use for up to 40 minutes, even in cold weather. The set and forget functionality stops inflation automatically once the preset pressure is reached. With 4 preset modes for cars, bikes, and more, it's perfect for every need. An 18.11-inch anti-scalding hose adds flexibility, making it easy to reach valves at tricky angles. It's more than an inflator, it doubles as a power bank and flashlight, making it essential for emergencies. Compact yet robust, this inflator is ideal for daily use and road trips, saving you time, effort, and gas station visits. Fanttik T8 Apex Jump Starter. The Fanttik T8 Apex is your go-to jump starter, delivering 2,000 amps to handle vehicles with engines up to 8.5 liters gas or 6.0 liter diesel. Its smart display gives real-time battery stats, making it easy to monitor and operate. The 5-minute rapid charging feature ensures you can jumpstart a vehicle even with minimal prep, and the device recharges fully in just 1.5 hours via its 65-watt USB-C input-output. Designed for safety, it features 10-safe technology, including reverse polarity protection, ensuring a hassle-free experience. While its ability to start completely dead batteries stands out, the automatic power cutoff after 15 seconds may require reconnecting for severely dead vehicles. This jump starter's compact design, IP65 rating, and premium build make it ideal for personal and professional use. Fanttik Slim V8 Mate Cordless Car Vacuum. Compact and efficient, the Fanttik Slim V8 Mate is perfect for keeping your car's interior spotless. Weighing just 1.2 pounds, it's easy to handle and store. Despite its small size, the brushless motor delivers 12 kPa suction power, making it effective for cleaning dust, crumbs, and pet hair. With a battery life of up to 30 minutes on low power, it's ideal for quick cleanups. The USB-C fast charging ensures a full charge in just 2 hours, while its washable HEPA filter keeps maintenance hassle-free. The vacuum comes with various attachments, including extension hoses and brushes, making it versatile enough for hard-to-reach spots and stubborn dirt. Its sleek design and compact size ensure it's convenient for everyday use. Though better suited for light-duty tasks, the Slim V8 Mate is a handy tool to maintain a clean, tidy car interior effortlessly. Fanttik Fold V10 Apex Pivot Car Vacuum. The Fanttik Fold V10 Apex Pivot Car Vacuum is a game-changer for car cleaning. Its innovative pivoting design with 7 adjustable angles ensures you can clean even the trickiest spots with ease. The The pull-out crevice nozzle tackles those tight spaces, making it perfect for car detailing. Equipped with an 80,000 RPM brushless motor, this vacuum provides impressive suction power of up to 17,000 PA, effortlessly removing dust and debris. Its translucent, extra-large 16.9 dust bowl minimizes the hassle of frequent emptying, while the included hard and soft bristle brushes cater to different surfaces. With a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 35 minutes, you can clean your entire car in one go. The Type-C charging ensures fast and convenient recharging. This vacuum is compact, portable, and highly functional. Whether you're dealing with everyday dirt or stubborn messes, the Fanttik Fold V10 Apex makes cleaning your car a breeze. Its thoughtful design and strong performance make it a must-have tool for any car owner. Fanttik Fold S1 Apex 3.7 volts cordless screwdriver. The Fanttik Fold S1 Apex cordless screwdriver combines precision and versatility in one compact tool. Its adjustable torque with 8 settings ensures professional performance across various tasks, while the LED display allows real-time monitoring of torque levels for precision work. Designed with comfort in mind, the foldable handle offers 4 angles, 0 degrees, 24 degrees, 48 degrees, 72 degrees, to adapt to any working condition, reducing strain during prolonged use. Its dual speed modes, 100 RPM and 250 RPM, provide flexibility for delicate and demanding tasks alike. Powered by a 2500 mAh battery, this screwdriver offers reliable performance and quick recharges via a Type-C port. The bright LED ring light ensures visibility even in low light conditions, making it perfect for tackling projects day or night. Compact, efficient, and loaded with thoughtful features, the Fanttik Fold S1 Apex is a must-have for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its precision and ease of use set it apart from ordinary screwdrivers. Fanttik X9 Ultra Portable Tire Inflator. The Fanttik X9 Ultra Portable Tire Inflator is a powerhouse that makes tire inflation effortless. With its jet inflate feature, it fills a 33-inch truck tire to 35 psi in just 38 seconds. Delivering unmatched speed and accuracy. This 3-in-1 device also serves as a portable power station and flashlight, adding versatility to its functionality. Its powerful battery can refill up to 25 tires on a single charge, making it a reliable companion for road trips and emergencies. 4 customizable modes allow you to set and recall your preferred pressure levels with ease, ensuring consistent performance every time. The 45-inch air hose conveniently stores within the device, along with dedicated space for accessories like a Presta-valve adapter and ball needle. Compact yet powerful, the X9 Ultra is perfect for drivers who value efficiency and reliability in their tools. Fanttik C8 Nano 3.7 volts cordless electric scissors. The Fanttik C8 Nano electric scissors redefine cutting efficiency. Featuring a high magnet motor that reaches 250 RPM, this tool effortlessly handles materials like cardboard, carpets, and leather with ease. Its 3-speed adjustment ensures optimal performance for any project, from quick fixes to intricate designs. Designed for convenience, the Easy Swap technology allows for swift and secure blade changes, while the built-in LED display keeps you informed about battery levels and speed settings. A fast 1-hour charge provides up to 40 minutes of runtime, ensuring uninterrupted work on demanding tasks. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals, the Fanttik C8 Nano includes an LED light for precision cutting, even in low-light environments. Its ergonomic design and innovative features make it a must-have tool for crafting and household projects. FanttikRide T9 Apex Electric Scooter. The FanttikRide T9 Apex Electric Scooter offers a fun and safe riding experience for young adventurers. Its flashing rainbow LED lights and built-in music feature add a vibrant touch, making every ride enjoyable. Safety takes center stage with an intuitive safety switch and triple braking system, ensuring reliability and control. The scooter features 3 speed modes, 7 mph, 10 mph, and 12 mph, suitable for different skill levels. Its LED display provides real-time speed updates, enhancing usability for riders. Equipped with a powerful 25.2-volt, 3.2 hours battery, the T9 Apex offers extended riding time and fast recharging. Built to last, it can withstand up to 1,200 charging cycles, making it a durable choice for active kids. This scooter combines entertainment, safety, and convenience, making it a standout choice for young riders. It's the perfect mix of fun and functionality, ensuring endless outdoor adventures. Fanttik S1 Pro 3.7 volts electric screwdriver. The Fanttik S1 Pro electric screwdriver redefines efficiency and precision for your repair and assembly needs. With 3 torque levels, 1.5 through 4.2 nanometers, and a maximum hard torque of 6 nanometers, this tool is powerful yet user-friendly. Its instant stop feature ensures complete control during use, making it perfect for tasks like furniture assembly, electronics repairs, and more. Included are 14 durable S2 steel bits across 5 categories, offering versatile repair options. All components come neatly stored in a magnetic aluminum case with a satisfying pop-up mechanism for easy access. The magnetic chuck and bits add convenience for quick bit changes. The screwdriver's 2000 mAh rechargeable battery impresses, capable of handling up to 340 screws on a single charge. Charging is effortless via the USB-C port, with a power indicator ensuring you're always informed. Compact, reliable, and powerful, the Fanttik S1 Pro is a must-have for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, combining functionality and sophistication in one sleek package. Fanttik D2 Laser Level. The Fanttik D2 Laser Level brings accuracy and convenience to all your leveling tasks. Its advanced green laser technology is 4 times brighter than standard red lasers, offering exceptional visibility indoors and outdoors. The self-leveling feature ensures perfect alignment within Mace's 1/8 inch at 30 feet, while the manual mode allows for precise adjustments at any angle. This compact device, weighing just 0.56 pounds, boasts TPE rubber protection for durability. The included magnetic bracket ensures easy 360 degrees rotation, making it versatile for various applications. In outdoor environments, the pulse mode extends the range up to 164 feet when paired with a receiver. Powered by a rechargeable 2200 mAh battery, the D2 offers up to 10 hours of runtime, eliminating the need for frequent replacements. Its intuitive design, coupled with a long-lasting build, makes it ideal for tasks like picture hanging, shelf installation, and more. The Fanttik D2 is your go-to tool for professional precision and effortless operation. Fanttik Solo Aura H10 Apex Hairdryer. Revolutionize your hair care routine with the Fanttik Solo Aura H10 Apex Hairdryer. This compact yet powerful dryer features a high-speed 110,000 RPM brushless motor that dries hair 80% faster, saving you time during busy mornings. Weighing only 0.74 pounds, the H10 ensures minimal arm fatigue while delivering a personalized styling experience. Its HD display provides real-time control over 8+1 airflow and temperature settings, catering to all hair types. The dryer releases 200 million negative ions to reduce frizz and protect hair from heat damage, leaving it smooth and moisturized. Designed for comfort and performance, the H10 incorporates advanced noise reduction technology, ensuring a quiet drying experience. Whether at home or on the go, this lightweight and portable hairdryer guarantees salon-quality results in minutes. With its sleek design and innovative features, the Aura H10 Apex is a game-changer in hair care technology. Fanttik 65-watt USB-C car charger. The Fanttik 65-watt USB-C car charger is the ultimate on-the-go charging solution. With dual ports, it delivers up to 65 watts of power via the USB-C PD port or 45 watt plus 18 watt when charging 2 devices simultaneously. It's perfect for powering smartphones, tablets, and even laptops with blazing speed, charging up to 9 times faster than standard chargers. This versatile car charger is compatible with a wide range of devices, from iPhones and iPads to MacBooks and Android devices. Designed for 12-volt and 24-volt vehicles, it fits seamlessly into cars, SUVs, and trucks. Safety is paramount with built-in protections against overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating. A stylish LED light ring enhances usability in low light, while the aluminum alloy body ensures durability and efficient heat dissipation. Sleek, powerful, and reliable, the Fanttik 65-watt car charger keeps you connected wherever the road takes you. Fanttik E1 Max Workstation Precision Electric Screwdriver Kit. Unleash your inner tech wizard with the Fanttik E1 Max Workstation, an all-in-one precision repair kit designed for electronic enthusiasts. This kit combines a powerful electric precision screwdriver with 64 S2 steel bits and 12 versatile repair tools, catering to gadgets like smartphones, laptops, and gaming consoles. The electric screwdriver offers dual torque settings, 0.5 nm and 0.2 nm, and a manual gear of up to 3 nm, halving repair times while ensuring precision. The magnetic storage system keeps everything organized, while the pop-up mechanism adds a futuristic touch to every use. From opening tools to anti-static straps, this workstation has everything you need for complex repairs. Its premium design, durability, and practicality make it a standout choice for tech enthusiasts. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional, the E1 Max Workstation delivers unmatched efficiency and creativity, making it the ultimate toolkit for your electronic repair adventures. These 15 Fanttik tools showcase a perfect blend of innovation, practicality, and performance, making them essential for tackling everything from DIY projects to professional tasks. With features like precision engineering, cordless functionality, and compact designs, these tools ensure that you're always prepared for any challenge. Whether for home improvement, automotive care, or creative endeavors, Fanttik tools provide reliable solutions you can count on. Ready to upgrade your toolkit? Click the links in our review to explore these incredible Fanttik tools on Amazon and experience the future of efficiency and precision today.